Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And I don't know why Andrew don't go dig out him mother and inject her with these things in one inject poor black people. Yes, because you know Andrew don't like poor people. And what am I talking about? Well, people, just look at the heights that these people are going to try and convince people. And like I said, poor people, they're using dancehall as a tool for trickle forget injection that is not even approved by the FDA. But nevertheless, he says, today we seek to appeal to everyone to become vaccinated, especially those of our citizens who are listening to and believing false information. And you know, he's talking about Buju Bantam because, you know, slave descending social media accounts are threatened, or is a threat to these media outlets in Jamaica that's owned by white people and Jewish people. You see me answer? But anyway, it is important that the country achieves herd immunity. You get what he's saying? Herd, because y'all are sheeps. Remember, say one is a bunch of Christians. You see me answer? So enough for herd no up, for juku no up. It is in the achievement of the herd immunity that we will be able to dispense with these non-clinical measures which have had a devastating impact on the economy and which are also used in many instances as a means to tear society apart. In managing the pandemic, yes, pandemic, we must pay attention to what the science says and also the social science in terms of how people feel about the measures. But we know the only somebody that Andrew is listening to is Bill Fakes. Yes, Bill Fakes and the Chinese boy Xing Pang. You feel what I'm saying? Because me don't know why them want come pressure black poor people for these clinical trials that is not even FDA approved. Anyway, it is in everyone's best interest to take the Rona-19 vaccine. This is the only way we can anticipate a productive return to normalcy. I want to urge everyone eligible to take the vaccine. I also want to urge everyone who has already received one dose to take the second dose. And me not lie, the people them are beat him under the comment section. And people, this is why I did the review the other day. Black media banned in Jamaica, and slave descending social media accounts is a threat to these media outlets that's pushing their agenda because they keep the nation uneducated. For this reason, and the people said there's a public interest in crime, hunger, education, for terrible living conditions. And they're also laboring people like L.A. Lewis, Buju Banton, and regular thinking people that is not brainwashed as conspiracy theorists. You see what I'm saying? We need to start get up. We need to start get up and opening the eyes. The revolution must be televised. Yes, it must be televised. You see what I said? Bob Marley said 100 years ago, stand up and get up and fight for your rights. And we only see the Maroons them that's fighting for them rights. Because for some reason, the rest of Jamaica doesn't seem to know that they're not free. We see freedom of speech being violated. We're seeing a whole bunch of human rights being violated in a democratic society, you know. And speaking about Maroons, Vybz Kartel song, they are bang. He said, Master, because he said former Maroon chief Colonial Sidney Petty is my great-grandfather. My granny's dad. So don't feel me I look a hype. Big up yourself, Chief Curry, Richard, and the entire Apongo town. A compound town. You know what I mean? And I'm pretty sure most of us can trace our lineage to these Maroons people. You see me I say? And I'm going to give you the information that you can use to become a maroon, because I see a lot of people in my comment section wanting to become a maroon, you know. So yeah, Vybz Kartel said he's not looking at hype because he posted up the maroon answering to the FA ad, and all of these people and things and people say, I'm going to try running to push album sales and all of these things, but boom, so you have it right there. So Bloodline, and I guess this is one of the reasons why them give Vybz Kartel a fight, because them people, I know people history, you see me, I say, and things, but the chief did respond to Vybz Kartel and said they kept their records. But anyway, people, a positive change is coming for our people. The first people in Jamaica are organizing and centralizing. Claim your native roots. Call in all Maroons and Maroons descendants. Contact the Ministry of Foreign Affairs at foreignaffairs. You see whatever it is in front of you, to inquire about the procedures for acquiring your Maroon ID. And I think this might be one of the ways where you can get a piece of land in a cockpit country. I mean, I lie. Me I'm about to contact them a blood clot and see who me can trace from who me can't trace. I want a piece of land up a cockpit country, you know. That's the only place where it look like it free our ass. You see me, I said. Now, the mix-up part of the video, y'all are here for. Because, you know, a people business and I like. And that's why I didn't hit the like button 1,000 times. I said, man, I said, and make sure you share in the videos too. Share the channel. Share everything run yourself, bomber. People, dancehall princess Ishawna lashes out. And I say lashes because that's what we're talking about. Yes. Lashes out at T.I. for disrespecting black women. Or all women. Yes. Well, I'm saying black women because, you know what, let me not put a stereotype. People, T.I. made a statement yesterday that he couldn't stand women who has eyelashes that's longer than their weaves. You see me, I say? And I don't want to lie on him. Let me get the exact quote before we get into what Ishi has to say. You see me, I say? So, the Trouble Man took to his Instagram page with over 1 million odd followers and said, ladies, I'm going to be honest. Some of y'all eyelashes longer than y'all real hair. Oh, it was even worse than I thought. And it bothers me. Damn, he really said that? And he also went on to say, there, I said it. Been holding that in for a while now. Devil emoji. One thing. Why? Anyway, people, let us just get this way, see what Ishi has to say. So you don't know what the thing said. Ishawna took to her Instagram page and reposted what Trouble Man posted, saying, ladies, I'm going to be honest. Some of y'all eyelashes longer than y'all real hair, and it bothers me. And he says, I said what I said. It's been holding in for a long time. And people, you know, say Ishawna very disrespectful, you know. Ishawna's a very disrespectful person. You seen the way how she rode Foota Hype's bald face, and Joe Bogdanovich face, and Scotty Burrell face, and countless other faces. You see me, I say? And now she's talking about Tiny's face. Ishawna says, so, oh, Tiny face, we favor crush linen, Nabada, boy. Jaja. Jaja, if I meet Tiny, me crawl up in some tiny blood clot hole. You see me, I say? Damn. People, I don't know what's the story with Tiny. I don't know if she had surgery to her face. You know, her nose. I don't know if she has white in her blood. I just don't know. I just know that Ishawna said she looked like crushed linen. You know the talk of the town, people. They said the only reason why T.I. was with Tiny because Tiny was popping. I think she was in that female group, SWV. Yeah, I think it was SWV. The people then with the long fingernails, I think. Or Escape. I always get SWV and Escape confused. You feel what I'm saying? But the long fingernail group. And, you know, T.I. was basically using Tiny as a come-up. You see me? I said, cha-cha. But just giving you them updates on what I go on from not a go on, you know what I mean? So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, notification, and bell, because I run and say get the latest in a dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.